Once again, trading above the crucial support at or resistance at 104. Oil has bounced back now nicely, and similarly, NG got the support at $6 and above 6.2 acted quite bullish. Now, what is going to happen today? I hope you all profited first of all yesterday. Now, what is going to happen today? Which trade we should take? Where to enter? Where to exit? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. And at the end of every analysis, I'll give you the trading levels. So first we'll listen into gold. First we'll listen to into US crude, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Let's start. And yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest updates. Let's start with US crude first. And yes, US crude had again come back to the critical resistance at 110. 110 is a very important resistance level for US crude. Now this is the hourly charts you can find. See, bulls are not trying to take it on the upside. It is getting a strong pressure from the upside. Yes, this is probably we have to be watchful here. If it breaks below 108.8 levels, yes, you can go short, and then 108 levels can be expected. Below that, 107 levels can also be expected there. So yes, only short entry is below 108.5, I will say. Yes, you can take it 108.8 also. That is also a good short entry. But then on the downside, 108.5, 108 levels should provide a support, and then 107 should come into picture. See, oscillator has seen the high on the hourly charts. Probably it may try to converge from here. Directional movement is bullish. MACD is already bullish. Stochastic near to top, and RSI near to top, and stochastic overbought. Similarly, if you look at the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour chart, the support zone here, if you look at this chart, 107 is the perfect support, and before that we may see 108.5, 108.4 levels giving it a support. On the 2 hour charts, it appears that the bulls are not trying to take the charge here, and it is getting strong pressure from the upside. I will be watchful of 108.8. If it breaks below 108.8, go short. And yes, on the upside, I will be watchful of 110. If you see it trading beyond 110.2, then go long for 111 and 112 levels. Oscillator has seen the high on the bullish side. The directional movement is bearish. The MACD is also divergent and bullish. The RSI also trading flat with a bullish slope. Stochastic is overbought. An overbought stochastic indicates that probably it may try to cool down a bit. But look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, the story is again a little bit different. See, this is again trying to take the support here at 108.8 and 108.5 levels. These levels are important. If it breaks below this, there is going to be a good fall till towards 107, and there is a definite resistance at 110 levels. I'll be watchful of this. If it breaks past 110.2, go long again. See, oscillator, they are trading at high. The directional movement is bullish here. The MACD is also white divergent bullish. RSI is sloping upwards. Stochastic is overbought. Similarly, if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts too, you will find similar observation. There was a doji is still trying to trade bullish with this, and the channel highs are somewhere here at around 108.2 level, 110.2 levels. If it breaks past this, only we can expect. This is also 200 period moving average, which may provide a little resistance. And yes, a good short entry below 108.8 or 108.5 can be taken. Then 108 should be the very strong support, and then it will try to fall back towards 107 and 106.2 levels. Oscillator has just now crossed over for a bullish entry. This is the third green candle. It may see some more highs there. Directional movement is bullish here, divergent. MACD is also bullish here, divergent. RSI sloping upwards. Stochastic is overbought. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, they see the fresh candle on this app is yet to start, but you can find that there is a strong resistance here on the 110 levels. Be watchful of that. Also, there is a support here at 105. So in between this zone, it may try to trade again. The next candle is yet to start. There is a probability of it to achieve a high at around 110.5, 111 levels, and then try to retrace back a bit on the downside and trade in this channel only. I'll be expecting a sideways swing move, but if it continues to sustain for a couple of candles, we can expect it to give you a strong breakout. See, the oscillator has seen the red side of the moves there. Now may try to give you the greener candles. Be watchful of this. The directional movement trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. The MACD has also seen the lows there, trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards. Stochastic is also looking upwards. Considering this, see, first observation, only short entry is below 108.8, but below 108.8 there is a support at 108.5 and 108, and if these two levels are taken at 108 you can expect 107 the first target, then 106.2, and then below that 105 levels. 105 is a very strong support. You can be watchful of that. I don't expect it to break below 105. These are markets, however anything is possible. On the upside, if you see it trading beyond 110.2 you can go long for 110.5 and 111. Till 111 we may find it getting a pullback again on the downside, breaking past 111. Consider this is a breakout and it may try to hit 112, 114 and 115 levels. In fact, it can try to see the next resistance zone is somewhere here at 113, 140 zone, and it can try to, if it breaks past and sustains above 110.2, it may try to achieve this zone before it looks over to any further reversal. Also look at the daily charts. On the daily charts you will find that this zone which I am talking about, it may try to achieve this once or a tad lower than this towards 114, 115 zone, somewhere plus minus it may try to achieve before it looks over to retracement. So take your positions accordingly, and yes, always trade with a trailing stop loss. Always put your stop loss to cost whenever you trade. So this is about US crude. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, if you look at NG has got the, see, previously this was the support here at around close to 6.05 levels, and yesterday it has got the support at 6.1 and tried to bounce back. This was a strong rally, strong bounce back. However, you can find 6.6 again provided it a very strong resistance on the upside. I have always maintained, I have always told 6.5, 6.6 is going to be the resistance zone and the support zone. The support zone, when you see it dropping from the top, 6.5, 6.6 is a good cushion. It is a good support which may not try to fail. And then while moving upside, now this is going to be the resistance, but it is trying to give you another breakout. It is trying to consolidate here and then it will give you a strong moves. Waiting for it. The oscillator has seen the highs, trying to converge towards a sell there. Directional movement is still bullish. The MACD is still on the buy side, trying to converge. RSI trading flat. Stochastic was at bottom, trying to look upwards again. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, it is giving you higher lows, higher highs, trying to trade sideways. The support there at 6.2 is strong, and with that is support, it is tried to rise. 6.6 anyways is a very strong resistance on the upside. I'll be watchful. Any move beyond 6.6, stay long above those levels. If you see it trading above 6.6, my target is 6.8, $7 level. See, the oscillator has seen the high, 3 candles. I will be watchful. If it gives you 4th candle and it tries to continue in the bullish zone, directional movement not indicative of anything. MACD has seen the highs there, trying to converge a bit. RSI trading flat. Stochastic was overbought, trying to look downwards here. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see, it has seen the highs. A strong bullish breakout candle, higher highs have been done. Now it is trying to get support at 6.4 levels, and I will be watchful. 6.4, it can try to attempt and achieve these levels once before it tries to rise back. Do not trade between 6.4 and 6.5 levels. Above 6.5 there is a possibility of you to enter a long position where you can expect 6.6 as the next target. Beyond 6.6 it is going to give you another strong bullish move. Oscillator there trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Directional movement is in green but not indicative much, as there is hardly any divergence. The MACD has also seen the high, it is divergent, however it is not giving or not diverging further, increasing the diminishing bullishness there. RSI trading flat and the stochastic near to top. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart too, there is a support at 6.4 and 6.38. It is trying to honor this support. This is a 50 period moving average, and I'll be watchful of this. I'll be watchful of 6.5 too. Yes, if 6.5 is taken, you can expect 6.55, 6.58, and beyond that it is going to fly high strongly on the upside. Oscillator there trading on the bearish side, trying to converge the. Similarly, directional movement hardly indicative of anything. MACD is wide divergent bullish, RSI trading flat, stochastic is overbought. And if you look at the daily charts, you will find that there is a support there at, see how beautifully it has taken the support at $6 levels, and yesterday it has given higher lows indicative of bullishness. It is trying to rise. 6.6 is the next resistance, and if it continues to trade above 6.6, then only I will recommend you to go long. See, the next candle is yet to form. I will be watchful of 6.5 levels, 6.552 levels. I will be watchful. If it breaks above, then it may give you 6.6, and any move beyond 6.6 will be a good indication that it is going to break high till towards 6.8 and plus levels. So yes, you can stay long above 6.5, 6.52 levels. Beyond that, we can expect a stronger resistance still towards 6.6, and if 6.6 is taken, then it is going to continue the bullish momentum till towards 6.8 and $7 levels. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 6.4, go short, but there is a stronger support at around 6.2 levels. So be watchful of this. In between 6.2 and 6.6, you have to trade cautiously for NG. Any breakout above 6.6 is a very good indication to stay long. Below 6.2, you will again expect 6.1 and $6 to provide a support. If $6 is taken, then there is going to be a huge breakout on the downside. Take your positions accordingly. Stay with cost. Stay with the stop loss. Stay with the trailing stop loss, and always try to shift your stop loss to cost. Trade accordingly. Trade profitably, and yes, always try to close with little profits and without any loss. So this is the target. Trade accordingly. Reach out to me for more details on my mentorship program or my VIP singles group. My Telegram ID and email ID, official email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me for any details on my trading and training program. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.